So welcome back to this video where today we're actually going to go through and address one of the biggest problems faced by affiliate marketers, and that's their lack of conversions. So if you're an affiliate marketer and you're struggling to kind of get conversions, get more leads, things like that, or if you're just starting out in the beginning and wanting to get a bit more success, we're going to actually address and go through 4 strategies you can actually use and implement to actually get more traffic, leads, and conversions over time, which leads to more sales and more success, which is ultimately what we want as affiliate marketers. So sit back, grab a pen and notepad, take some notes, and let's dive into the video. So the first problem I actually want to address is actually finding new and innovative ways to actually reach your target audience. And that's because we are currently living in a world where everyone's constantly bombarded by ads and promotional content, which makes it harder for your audience to actually engage and actually capture your audience's attention. So firstly, you really need to understand what your audience's pain points and motivators are so that you can actually create content in a way that actually addresses these issues for them and actually stand out from other marketers and actually create a bond with your audience. And as a result of this will actually create more trust and credibility with your actual desired audience and plays a huge part in sales and marketing itself. And that's because people actually want to feel heard and understood, that they're not just being kind of sold to constantly, so that you can actually create that kind of trust, that bond, that relationship with your desired audience, and then they will actually kind of engage with you more, and over time will actually take action. So one effective way of doing this is actually creating video reviews. And according to one affiliate marketer, after he created a video review for one of the products he's promoting, he actually saw $200 in sales directly after he launched it. So why are video reviews so effective? For one, it actually allows your audience to actually see and hear you, which helps in creating that credibility and that bond between yourself and your target audience. But it also creates a more immersive and detailed review of the products or services you're promoting compared to actually written articles. And this can actually further help your audience actually make more informed decisions about whether or not they want to actually open up their wallet and actually make a purchase from you. But creating effective video reviews isn't just about opening up your camera or your phone and just hitting the record button. You actually have to kind of map out and plan out where your actual target audience is spending the most time and do it in a way which delivers the information in a very informative way. And with that as well, especially with video content, you got to have a hook which actually grabs their attention really quickly within the first 3 seconds. So for example, if your audience is primarily on YouTube, you'd want to kind of create content and actually promote it on or post it on YouTube where your actual audience is. If your audience prefers short form content, then you got to understand where your audience is actually spending the most time and deliver it in the same kind of fashion of what they actually consume. So if they like short form content, the biggest platforms for that are currently TikTok, Instagram, and obviously YouTube as well. So when creating these videos and these reviews, you have to be very transparent with what you're actually reviewing. Don't just sing praise just so you can promote the product and get a sale. If you don't find value in the product, say that as well, because that will actually help create more trust and depth between yourself and the audience. And then over time, if you do find or come up with something which you do find a lot of value in, they will be more likely to trust you and make that purchase over time. Number 2, and one of the most important things to actually remember when creating content is to actually create content which is of high quality and actually provides a lot of value for your target audience. A lot of affiliate marketers actually make the mistake of just kind of bombarding their audience with constant sale kind of content, which actually drives people away. As a result, people have become a lot more savvy to current marketing techniques, and they can kind of smell a sale or trying to be sold to from a mile off. So if your content isn't actually providing them with any kind of real value, they'll pretty much leave and just never return. So what can you actually do to create content which actually provides value for your audience? So one of the easiest ways to go about this is think about what you actually search for when you're looking for a new product or service online, and kind of approach from that angle of, if you're looking for it, somebody's probably looking for it as well, and kind of answer those questions about what kind of information you can actually provide for them. And the reason for this is because your actual audience is no different to kind of yourself. If you're asking these questions about a product or service, your audience is probably most likely asking the similar questions. So if you can actually come up with a way to actually answer those questions, then you can actually create content and actually help solve other people's problems in a similar fashion. So you also want to try and create content which your audience can actually take away a bit of information and actually implement it themselves as well. So this could be like information about a product or service, or how that product or service could actually benefit them and make their lives better. or even tips and tricks about how to get the most out of certain things or how to actually approach difficult situations or hurdles they're facing with a particular problem they're having. So by providing this kind of information and this value to your audience, you're actually building that trust and that credibility with your target audience, and they'll be more likely to actually engage with your content and actually consider your recommendations over time. So remember, affiliate marketing or marketing in general is more than just about making sales. It's actually about developing a relationship between yourself and your audience or your target demographic. And one of the best ways of doing this, like I was saying, is actually by providing a lot of value up front for your target audience. And Gary Vee is very famous for actually saying this as well. And by focusing on value and quality, you'll actually create content which actually resonates more with your audience, where they'll actually engage with more. And over time, you'll actually achieve greater success with your affiliate marketing journey. And on that note, if you're actually finding value in this video so far, don't forget guys, smash that thumbs up button, because it actually does mean a lot to me and means that what I'm actually providing to you actually is of benefit. And number 3, being an affiliate marketer can be a little bit lonely at times, but there are communities out there of similar like-minded individuals. So one of the best things you can actually do is actually join these groups and actually kind of surround yourself with people who are in the same kind of field as you. Because not only will you get support and advice from other kind of affiliates, you'll actually be opened up to more ideas and new strategies and other products that you can actually kind of implement or promote to actually improve your sales and conversions over time. And one great way to connect with other affiliates is through online communities. So things like affiliate forums, social media groups, or even communities like the Legendary Marketer, where you can actually discuss ideas, are all great places to actually kind of build these connections and networks. And in these communities, you can actually get great advice, like I said, on other kind of products or services you can actually promote, or other strategies you can actually implement to be able to kind of get more or create more engagement, create a bit larger audience, and actually get more leads and conversions over time. And because a lot of affiliate marketing is done online through social media and things, you actually stay up to date with all the changes in the algorithms and stuff, which can affect how many views and how much audience or how large of an audience you actually have. And as well as that, being part of these kind of communities actually helps you stay motivated and consistent with actually what you're doing, because there's no other greater motivator than kind of seeing other people's success and saying to yourself, well, if they can do it, I can do it too, which is one thing which I do a lot as well. And that's where we go into step number 4 of getting your affiliate marketing business up and running effectively. And especially in the beginning, learning all this information can be very, very overwhelming. But finding a mentor or coaching can actually help significantly increase your results over time and obviously make you a lot more successful with affiliate marketing. And according to one affiliate marketer who spent $70,000 on mentorship and coaching, he actually saw a return on that investment of up to $300,000. And the reason for this is actually having an experienced mentor or coach can actually help you avoid costly mistakes and help you get to see results a lot faster within your own business. They can actually help guide you and help you avoid costly mistakes, and they can provide you with valuable insights which you probably wouldn't have access to or have thought about it previously either. But finding the right mentor can be a little bit tricky. You obviously want to try and find someone who has a long track record of success in the actual field or the niche that you're kind of sitting with, and also someone who's actually willing to take the time to actually sit down and work with you and figure out exactly where you're going wrong or how you can actually improve. And while it might take a financial investment up front, the long-term benefits of actually doing this far outweigh the cost. Now, you don't actually have to go out and spend $70,000 on getting a mentor. You can actually do this, especially if you're a beginner, for a lot less. And that's especially with the 15-day business builder challenge from Legendary Marketer, which is a cost of $7. You get a lot of information, valuable information of actually how to set up affiliate marketing and how to market effectively as a beginner. And it also helps you get those results a lot faster. So essentially, for a cost of a drink at the bar, you can actually get started more effectively and actually fast track your own success with becoming an affiliate marketer. So these are 4 ways that you can actually start implementing straight away to actually see more success within this affiliate marketing journey. And if you want more information about the Legendary Marketer and the 15-day business builder challenge, hit this video right here where I actually take you behind the scenes of what's actually involved in the course and what you actually get for that $7 and why I felt it was so valuable to me as an affiliate marketer.